The Ewbank MOTION Plus Reach Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is the ideal cleaning solution for pet owners and anyone with a busy family home. It's got all the performance you'd expect from a corded upright vacuum, but with the added benefit of an extra large 4-litre dust container. So it's perfect for larger homes and longer cleans. It's packed with clever tech to keep your floors spotless too, including Multi-Cyclonic Filtration that provides increased suction power and airflow. Switching power sockets won't be an issue thanks to this model's 9-metre power cord. The handle has an ergonomic design for ultimate comfort and control, and it's detachable too, providing extended cleaning ability for tackling those hard-to-reach areas. The floor head is adjustable, so you can pick up dust and debris on both carpets and hard floors effortlessly. There are also LED headlights, so you can vacuum in dark areas and never miss a spot. This model is also packed with handy accessories. There is a crevice tool, perfect for those hard to reach areas. There's a dusting brush and upholstery brush for those hard and soft furnishings, and even a turbo pet brush to help lift stubborn pet hair. You can store the accessories on board the vacuum to keep them handy whilst you're cleaning. And the easy to empty dust container and washable sponge filter make keeping this model in tip-top condition super easy. So if you're looking for a vacuum cleaner to keep up with your busy life and your furry friends, look no further than the Ewbank MOTION Plus Reach Bagless Vacuum Cleaner.